Don't let the Windows CRT Environment DLL error keep your apps from running. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I have the professional fix ready. Before we get into the technical process for Windows CRT environment, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This is the Windows CRT environment, part of the Universal C Runtime. It provides unmanaged routines for managing system environment variables, facilitating the configuration data link for application execution manifests. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. A clean reinstall of Windows Update, UCRT, is usually all it takes. Visit Microsoft's site, download the Visual C++ redistributables for x86 and x64, and run the installers. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Windows CRT environment, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing Windows CRT Environment DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If Windows CRT environment is impacting system resources, the maintenance suite below provides general guidance on addressing this. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Windows CRT environment or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.